Enhance your gala reception. Start with an unexpected entrance, something to surprise your guests with, like a fun dance with cool moves or an unforgettable performance. You also can add a glow doll show as entertainment. Or how about adding lounge sets around the bar or the dance floor? Inject beautiful splashes of color to your table decor. And for your cocktail hour, what about having served cocktails in coconuts? Create a game or just choose one to play with guests of all ages. Adding personalized touches, good food, drink, and entertainment for an amazing night. We are sure that your gala reception will look amazing. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye!